Let me slide up into you. Hold on. But you might take me as a game or think I'm proof of why you all think niggas the same. Baby, I'm sure I could really change your perspective, even if it's unexpected. I'ma hit you to my game. We so fly, out of space, that's the target. She gave him so much brain, she should probably be retarded. Until then I'm sipping on stars. Goose in my cup in the atmosphere of Mars. Girl, I'm coming back, please, please don't panic. Even if I do explain, you won't understand it. Damn, they say life is a race, and I'm trying to move fast. Yeah, I'm trying to move fast, but you slowing down my pace. Came back down the path, you just gotta do wrong. You ain't even gotta ask, but I'm trying to move on. Yeah, you know I'm trying to move on. Go. Hold up. Nah, fuck that. I said I wasn't coming back. You were somebody I really wanted, but I'm done with that. Done with you in the situation. If only things were slower and we both developed patience. Reminisce about times of being with you in my basement, but that's basic in this life. Now the times we had are ancient. That's old. And my heart is now cold North Pole, but my pole go north when inflated. My car could do her due like a rooster. You wasn't who I thought, and I swear I thought I knew her. But since it didn't last and the time just passed, I gotta say a bad past could really cause no future. Damn, but now we sipping on heavy shit. Now you saying that you should have never ever let me hit. But if you didn't, you wouldn't be so attached. And since you wanna come back my shoulder, you wanna rest on it. Damn, I thought life would be excellent. But you make it harder each and every morning. And I thought your feelings would be so irrelevant. But the situation ain't come with no warning. But I give you dick so good, you'll be snoring. Wake up, make pancakes and eggs in the morning. If she says she like the ride, she don't never get off the ride cause she's never feeling boring. Now I'm really stuck. I keep telling myself I don't really give a fuck. You keep telling yourself you ain't never giving up. And it's real, you expect it so your girl till you get luck. You're pessimistic, never listening. I'm feeling like you can never change, but I'm always gonna be different. And I ain't wanna change you. That's part of the rules though. Love a girl for all she is or on, you gotta move though. Looking at you bitches just thinking what was I thinking and sipping what I was drinking, it just happened to be Nuvo. Let me pass my cup, she wanna take a sip. Kiss on her neck slow, damn I love her fragrance. First she tells me no stop, saying back away and shit. It was pouring all in her soul and now she trying to take this dick. I'm just trying to take it slow. You just wanna take it fast. If we go your caution has some route that oh my god. I ain't fucking with that. Just had some caution.
I ain't fucking with that.
They're not fucking with my man. They're not fucking with my man.
If we go your route, just have some caution that it may not last.
They're not fucking with my man. So real talk, son.
Yeah, shit.
Any nigga who want to battle my man, bring a G or better, and I put a G on that thing. They're not fucking with my man. Straight like that. That's some straight off the dome shit. Fuck with that talk.
Give the best sex in the best way.